Yeah, good evening, everyone. Once again, this is Legacy FX. Okay, this is Legacy FX, and it's 2:29 a.m. I mean, at dawn. Just checking the charts, and I'm seeing some one or two things forming here. Yeah. Okay, so as per my strategy, there is going to be a very long sell, very long sell. But as to whether sale is ended here or not, it's a big question to ask, It's a big question to ask. That is why when you are trading, you need to have your risk-reward ratio, okay? You need to have your risk-reward ratio. Now we are within a resistance zone. We are within a resistance zone. So I am expecting this trade. I'm expecting this trade to actually start bouncing off from somewhere here, but it could start any moment from here. It could start any moment from here. And in normal circumstance, this is what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to wait. We're supposed to wait. We're supposed to wait for the charts to fit our strategy before we trade. Okay, it's within the zone already, so we can decide to go in for it, but then you need to be sure whether you have enough capital to do that. Okay, yeah, because I usually don't have a support and resistance point like a line, or I take a zone, because you can see usually it fluctuates. With Legacy FX, we teach strategies that actually work, and basically what we do a lot of times is naked trading to view what the charts are saying. Okay, and then we do. Okay, let me try to explain exactly what I'm trying to say. This is not a strategy. This is just a normal training on what we are looking for, what I am looking for on this chart. Okay, now we are using a 15 minutes chart here. Okay, I have my EMA 200 here, which serves also as my support and resistance point. Okay, it serves also as my support and resistance point. Now I saw it broken really huge here. You see, it got retested. It got retested up to here. So actually, I'm expecting a very long sell. But also, we could see a W form here, you see, or we could see a head and shoulder trying to form. But the same, I'll go look for the daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart, which means each candlestick forms in a day. Okay, with the daily chart, you will see that the buyers where it's like this is reversing, if you could see, because you're having a strong resistance, and the daily chart means that demand has already matched supply, and a lot of buyers are leaving the system, making the bears to take over the market. So you could see the whole of yesterday we had a very strong sell all the way from here to here, very strong sell, and then retraced back to this point, and then now we have this also moving. Okay, we cannot really predict what it's going to say and say yes it's going to buy or yes it's going to sell, but we are analyzing. Okay, we are analyzing the market. This is what we do in Legacy FX. We teach you how to analyze the market. You yourself, you look at the charts even on your phone, and then you are able to know exactly what price action is doing. This is pure naked trading. You don't need any indicators, you don't need anything. You just do it. You see what I'm expecting from the daily, a very good M to form right from here, there, here, so I'm expecting it to come somewhere down here. Okay, which means I can still enter a sell trade here. From my daily. Okay, now let me try and see what my 4-hour is saying. My 4-hour chart is telling me, okay, this was a good sell. Here. It might go more, it might go less. For our chart, it's not saying so much, but let's be frank, it's trending. The bearish trend is there. You could see the trend. It's been bearish. It's trending bearish. The bears are in the market. Let me go for the 1 hour to see what 1 hour is saying. Yeah, I see. Like I was talking about on the newbies page. See, we are not going to have all straight. You see, a descend, pull back, descend, pull back, descend, pull back. This is pure naked trading. Okay, this is pure naked trading. Pure naked trading. And this is what we do in like I see FX. We don't only teach you how to use indicators and strategies. We teach you how you can analyze the market and see how prices actually reacting to the market. How the market makers are trying to let the market move according to them. You could see the pullbacks. It's a bearish trend. The trend is even on the 30 minutes. You could see the trend showing. But you see, when it comes down, it pullback comes, and the pullbacks are strong, guys. The pullbacks are very, very strong. Don't allow the pullbacks to kick you out of the game, okay? Don't allow pullbacks to kick you out of the game. Let's go back to 15 minutes to see what is happening here. So it's still forming, still forming. We can risk it. We can risk it to place a sell here, but of course I'm expecting my risks. Okay, up until this point, I'm not going to close the trade if it comes all the way here. So I'm going to place my stop loss somewhere here. I'm going to place my stop loss somewhere here, and then my take profits will go very low. I see it's already start selling. Let me just enter the trade as soon as I can. Okay, so oh no. Okay, I'll enter the trade. 1.5. Let me sell now. Okay, I'm going to put only one position. Okay, I'm going to put only one position. See, guys, let me teach you another way of you trading. Okay, you can see this account. Yeah, this is not a real account. This is a demo account. Okay, because I don't teach on my real account. Okay, because on my real account I do my business when I'm trading on my real account, which I'm going to do very soon when I finish with this. Then I'm going to show you something. Okay, what I do on the demo account is, because when I reference don't give less than 10,000. Okay, so what do? I open a normal account, a normal demo account, and they give me the 10,000. I intentionally put opposite trades huge to blow the account, to intentionally blow my demo account to 500, and then I trade at 500. That is what I do. So if I'm able to move that 500 to 1,000, depending on the number of days I'm going to do that, shows exactly how long I can manage certain account. Okay, because it's not all about having big money, it's about you managing your risk. And even if it's a small account, how are you going to be able to manage such account? Okay, now you can see trades is already starting to enter more sales, and I'm starting to get into what we want. We can put our stop loss somewhere here. Let me just put it here. 454050.03. Okay, 454050. So I'll modify this. 454050.03. Okay, modify. Done. Okay, so that's my stop loss there set. My take profit. Take profit is really going to be long, guys. It's really going to be long. Because I'm going to take profit on my daily chart. I'm not going to take profit on my so Yeah, I'm going to take profit all the way somewhere here, guys. I'm going to take profit all the way somewhere here, all the way somewhere here. Even though I'm expecting it to come all the way here, I'm going to take profit here. If it keeps coming, I'll try to protect my profit, and then I'll keep going, continue. Okay, so take profit 42029043. 4202 oh fuck 09.93. Okay, let me see whether I got it correct. Okay, yeah, not so bad for my take profit. So at least I'm expecting it. Okay, this is where I'm expecting my take profit to be. Once again, this is Legacy FX. Okay, guys, we are trading. I'm not even using my computer, I'm using my smartphone. All I need is a smartphone and a network, and now I'm monitoring what the market is trying to do. Okay, what the market is trying to do. Let me go to the 15 minutes to see. Okay, just like I said, I'm expecting this to get somewhere here, and after here it should come back. Okay, but that's why I set my stop loss all the way here. If it will still go into negative around here, I want the straight to close. So with my balance, one trade for this, I'm comfortable. So I'm going to off this trade, and it's 0241. So let's say it's already 3 o'clock. I'll get back here maybe around 6 o'clock to check how far my trades are going. Okay, see you. Hello guys, this is Legacy FX. Okay, this is Legacy FX. So just a quick update on what is going on with the trades I placed earlier on. Now you can see, like I said earlier on, I was expecting this trade to go as far as even here. That is why I placed my stop loss here. Now you could see I was lucky enough because it never crossed my stop, it never hit my stop loss, and there was a great reversal, and you can see now trade is reversing rapidly to the direction as we had predicted it to be. So this is Legacy FX. We teach a lot, we give you good strategy, we have a lot of mentors around who's going to guide you through analyzing the charts, and by the end of your training with Legacy FX, you will be one of the best. Just with your smartphone, you can see what price action is, the price is trying to do. So yeah, this is just a little update on what the market is trying to do now. So we'll put it off again and see what we will see at 6 o'clock like we promised. Okay, you check it out. As per my chart, I'm expecting a very long sell, a very, very long sell. My daily charts, you could see this is where I'm planning to take profit. Okay, and I'm already in profit. Right, this is where I'm planning to take profit. So we could all see start moving very fast, and as quick as possible, I know I'll hit my target. This might take profit. This take profit might not be just in one day. Okay, this take profit might not be just in one day. At 6 o'clock, I'll check what is going on. I'll start to move my stop loss. Okay, so that I'll protect my profit. But this take profit might take maybe 2 to 3 days. It's a lot, and I'm expecting it even all the way here, so it can even last for a week, for a whole week. So yeah, see what I mean is I'm expecting it all the way here, so it can even last for a week, coming all the way down to this place. It can last for a week, but the major direction now, this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expected to take my profit. This is what I'm expecting to take my profit, and this profit might be maybe 2 to 3 days. But yeah, as time goes on, I'll be shifting or trailing my losses, so that I'm going to protect whatever I'll make, and then I end up closing trades on a positive note. Okay, so let's get back at 6 o'clock to see where this takes us. Hello guys, it's Legacy FX here, and again you can see from what we said, you see, this is why it's good to know the strategy that you are trading with. You need to know exactly what you are doing, okay? And this you can only get with Legacy FX, only in Legacy FX. It's not yet 6 o'clock like we said we'll be checking, but you can just see what we're making now, okay? You can just see, you know, everything is coming as planned, everything is coming as we expected. Its price is working accordingly, you know, because as per our daily it will fall, really fall, and it is doing just that, just as we wanted it to do. Okay, this is Legacy FX for you. We teach you strategies, we teach you things that make you become profitable in the market. Okay, you can see, as I told you, this account was blown to 500 and something, because we trade realistically. Okay, we don't put trades that are not realistic. What do you gain in having a $10,000 account and you placing trades that can kick you out of the game just by the losses? Okay, we've managed our risk with our stop loss here. Now you could see the stop loss was set, the take profit is also set, even though this is a long time take profit. Now with a 0.015 lot size, I'm already in the 67 US dollars profit. You know, this trade was started around 2:36 or 2:40, so let's say 3 o'clock, and around about 2 hours time. You see what is going on here? This is what we do at Legacy FX. Significant profits. You know, we teach things that let you get what you want. You see things that makes you laugh in trading. Yeah, Legacy FX all the way. We're teaching it. Join the winning team, guys. Join the winning team. It's Legacy FX. Hello guys, Legacy here. Just like we were saying earlier on, now you can see the strategy works. You know, the strategy is working perfectly. Like, strategy is showing crazy results. You know, and the strategy is talking, money is obeying. This is what we teach at Legacy FX. This is what we give our students. We let them know they can do it. What any other person is doing out there, you can do it. So this is the last update. I'm actually going to wait till this trade hits my take profit. But now you can see where we are now with 0.015 lot size. See? Said update will be around 6 o'clock, but it's 7:10 now, so a little bit late because I fell asleep, guys. Okay, anyway. So this is it, and thank everyone. Legacy FX, you know, join Legacy FX. So FX here, you know, I see great things happening. I see great things happening here. You can see, look at what we're doing now. You see, this is the best place you could learn. Join Legacy FX now. Join now. Hello everyone, Legacy FX. Okay, so we can see we are approaching our take profit gradually. We are expecting this to fall deep, to fall very, very deep. Okay, now you can see, look at where we took our profit all the way down. So this time I'm going to teach you something. We will say, let's protect our profits, okay, or let's protect the money we've made. So what do we do? What do I mean by that? So this is our stop loss, whereby when we are losing, we lose from here, right? And this is where we started the trade. So I'm going to move the stop loss to the entry point, or I can just move it somewhere here. Okay, under normal circumstance, if I'm using my strategy, I'm supposed to move it here because of naked trading. I'm supposed to move it here. So 445307.06 44. So you modify, and then you change your stop loss to 445307. Let's just do it 07. Okay, let's modify and see. Now we can see our stop loss is moved somewhere here. In this case, if this trade should close in a loss, or trade should reverse, it is going to close here, which means we still made this amount of profit. It means we've made this profit from here to here. So as we can see, we've already locked profit for the day. We've locked the profit for the day, and we are still in good profit. So I can relax it to hit my take profit. Gradually I'll be moving my stop loss down, and this is what we call, or we term, trailing your stop losses. Your stop loss, trailing your stop losses. Okay, yeah, it's trailing stop loss. And we are using the MT5 on the laptop. You will see more better trailing. Now when you put the pips, it automatically will be updating it without you moving the stop loss. The system automatically be updated. Okay, you can see we are still doing great. Let's check the 1 hour chart. Still in good profit, really good profit. Oh yes, see, and this is just one trade. This trade was taken at 2:40 a.m. this morning, and this is the profit we are already making. Legacy FX, we teach you strategies that work, strategies that moves the market, and when our strategy is talking, man, the money obey. Join the winning team, guys. Yeah, once again, Legacy FX. You see, we were expecting this take profit to hit maybe in 2-3 days time, but we are more than halfway through it, and this strategy is killer. You could see the move. What? Sweet, oh sweet. Yeah, Legacy FX here. We teach you how to read the chart just with your phone. Okay, just with your phone you can do it all. Join the winning team, guys. You could just imagine what is going on here. Legacy FX.